So send the ambulance past me. Yep. I think I'm gonna not record it. You know, just because they could surprise me. No. I'm gonna film it. This is what these motherfucking cunts do. You know, I guess they thought I wouldn't be able to catch it in time, but I did. So, pieces of shit, you know, are gonna go up. But this is what they do. Last few days they've been heavily targeting me. You know? And the wankers changed the siren noise as they went past as well. Bunch of faggots, man. Coward's anthem. Straight up coward's anthem, that noise. That's the coward's anthem. Bunch of They make me laugh because they think that they're going to be able to do this and not be exposed. Well, they are. They are going to be exposed, so yeah.